Hello, I'm Maximo Trinidad, Technology Evangelist for Sapiens Technologies, Inc. In this instructional video, we're looking at how to find and install the Remote Script Execution Engine Service, or RSEE. In both PrimalScript and PowerShell Studio products, this service application is a required component to perform both debugging and executing a script file remotely. To find the RSEE service application, open the File Explorer. In the C drive, go to the Program Files and look for the Sapiens Technologies Products folder. In either PrimalScript or PowerShell Studio product folders, you'll find the distributable folder. In this folder is where you find the RSEE service executables. Notice we provide both x86 and x64 versions of the RSEE service application. Just pick the one that matches your system architecture. Now, before installing the RSEE service application on the remote system, we need to copy the distributable folder to another location and make it shareable on the network. After we have the redistributable folder shareable on the network, we can use one of the following methods to get it installed on the remote system. Using the Remote Desktop GUI application or using the PowerShell remoting commands. When using the Remote Desktop GUI application, after logging in, open File Explorer and map a network drive to the shared copy of the redistributable folder. Then, in the network drive, find the RSEE service file executable matching your system architecture and double-click to install. Now, when using PowerShell remoting commands in either PrimalScript or PowerShell Studio Editor, go to the console pane, and from the list of consoles to select, choose Microsoft Windows PowerShell, the one matching your system architecture. The first step with using PowerShell remoting is to use the Enter PS Session commandlet, providing the computer name and the user credential to establish the remote connection. Then, after establishing the remote connection, enter the commands to map a drive to the share folder previously created in our desktop machine. I map the network drive to the share folder, then I look for the RSEE service executable that matches my system architecture. I check for any previous RSEE service running, then I proceed to press Enter to initiate the installation. Now, before disconnecting from the remote session, verify the RSEE service is running on the remote system, then remove the map drive. Keep in mind, once the service application is manually installed, it will need to be removed from the control panel under the Programs Features section. Or you can use PowerShell commands to remove the RSEE application service from the system. As you can see, finding and installing the RSEE service application for either PrimalScript or PowerShell Studio products get you set to debug and execute a script file on a remote system. This ends this instructional video. Feel free to check our system videos in our Sapiens Technologies YouTube channel. For more information, feel free to go online and visit our Sapiens Technologies products, information center, and blog pages. Thank you very much.